So our learning intention today is, can I make the same number using different amounts of money? Now again, the reason why we want to be able to do this is so that we can make any number, or in this case any amount of money, in as many different ways as possible. It's also handy for things like if we don't have the if we need to make if we don't have that exact coin or that exact amount, what can we do to swap it so that we can use all the money that we sort of can. So when we do this, we need to look at the full amount. What can we use to make it? What different values can we use? Again, things like say for example, if we had a £5, we could use a £5 note. We could use a £1 coin and two £2 coins. We could use 5 £1 coins. We could use 10 50p's. There are lots of different ways that we could make that number. With that, we need to know the values of the coins, because if we don't know the values of the coins, then we can't make up this number. When we have chosen our coins or our notes to make that number, let's put them back together. Let's add them all up together to check that we've made the full amount again.